Find the Taylor polynomial of degree 2 about a equals 1 for the function f of x equals x plus 7 to the 2/3, and then use it to approximate f of 2. Okay, so T2, Taylor polynomial of degree 2, is going to be f of 1 over 0 factorial plus f prime of 1 over 1 factorial times x minus 1 plus f double prime of 1 over 2 factorial times x minus 1 squared. So that's my general formula for how to find a Taylor series or Taylor polynomial. Now I just have to calculate f of 1, f prime of 1, and f double prime of 1, and I'll be done. Okay, so I'm going to write derivatives at x and derivatives at 1. Okay, so I need f of x, which is x plus 7 to the 2/3. So f prime of x is going to be the power rule, bring the 2/3 down. X plus 7 gets copied. 2/3 minus 1 is negative 1/3. And then I don't have a chain rule because the derivative of the stuff, x plus 7, is just 1. So I don't have to bother writing times 1. And then f double prime of x, bring the negative 1/3 down, so I get negative 2/9. Copy the x plus 7. Negative 1/3 minus 3/3 is negative 4/3. And again, the chain rule is technically there, but it's just times 1, and I don't usually write it down. All right, so if I plug in 1 for x, this becomes 8 to the 2/3, which is the cube root of 8 is 2, squared is 4. And now I plug a 1 in for x here, and you get 2/3 times 8 to the negative 1/3. So the cube root of 8 is 2. So if I have a negative exponent, it goes into the denominator. So that's 2/3 times 1/2, which is 1/3. And then f double prime of 1 is going to be negative 2/9 times 8 to the negative 4/3. And that's going to simplify to negative 1 over 72. So now I'm going to take those 3 values and put them up here in my Taylor polynomial. So f of 1 is 4. So this becomes 4 over 0 factorial. 0 factorial is just 1. So this is just 4. F prime of 1 over 1 factorial. So that's 1/3 over 1 is just 1/3 times x minus 1 plus f double prime of 1 is negative 1 over 72. But then I have to divide that by 2 factorial. So I get negative 1 over 144 times x minus 1 squared. So that is my second degree Taylor polynomial. And I'm supposed to use it to approximate f of 2. So f of 2 should be approximately equal to T2 of T2 of 2. So T2 of 2, plug a 2 in there and you get 4 plus 1/3 minus 1 over 144. And that comes out to approximately 4.3